ब्रह्मपुत्र नमामि ब्रह्मपुत्र कभी शाम बहे कभी रुद्र पल पल एक नया चित्र
ओ जिंदगी के सखा यूं ही बहना तू है सृष्टि ब्रह्मा तेरे पिता नामो ब्रह्मपुत्र नमामि ब्रह्मपुत्र तेरी लहरों में पिता की बाहें मिले
तेरी बूंदों से फसलों के मोती खिले
सदियों से तेरे किनारे
जीवन का है खजाना
तू बहना यूं ही बहना यह धरती सजल कर बहना तू देश के कंधे का
दोनों लगे लागे तेरे मोल और मोली तो बुतुलो
To more than 2,200 Indian bird-horned rhinoceros, approximately two-thirds of their total world population, formed in 1908 on the recommendation of Mary Curzon. The park is located in the edge of the eastern Himalayas.
Performance from our Vidyalaya. At last, I would like to call Khushi Saran for the quiz. Khushi Saran from 12th B. Okay, Sakshi, are you ready? Okay. Khushi, we will see your performance later. Sakshi is going to perform. Sakshi, be ready with your music and dance. All the best.
आज मैं आपके समक्ष असल नृत्य लेके प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ।
I am student of School Kendra Vidyalaya Difu. Today I am presenting a Rajasthani dance.
My next question is, who is the Chief Minister of Assam? असम का मुख्यमंत्री का नाम क्या है?
Sarbanand Sonowal.
Now tell me, in which party he belong?
BJP.
What is the full form of BJP? What is the full form of
Bharatiya Janata Party.
Then you are a nice man. You know lot of things regarding.
Sri V.K. Chaudhary sir, Principal K.V. Deepu, Sri Sanjay Ji Gupta, Vice Principal Second step, learned, my dear students, all the students.
There is Vijay Stump situated. Yes. Anna? Yes. Right answer is Chittorgarh. Very good. Now next question is, in which city blue pottery is famous? Blue pottery. Blue pottery कहाँ की famous है? राजस्थान में किस place की? In which city blue pottery is famous? Rangmat. Katputli is the right answer. Now, which famous Rajasthani dish is shown in the picture? लिट्टी चोखा, दाल बाटी चूरमा, कैर सांगरी और गट्टे की सब्जी.
गट्टे की सब्जी.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Identify the fort located near Jaipur, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the main tourist attraction. Option A, Amer Fort. Option B, City Palace. Option C, Jaigarh Fort. And option D, Mehrangarh Fort. Identify the picture.
Jaigarh Fort.
Amer Fort is the right answer.
हे बिडारो काम भारी नजरी दो मोती बिखरे नहीं जाए भारी नजरी रो मोती बिखरे नहीं जाए भारी पचरंगी लहरी यारो अन्ना लहराए भारी पचरंगी लहरी यारो चालो नी बागरिया हमले हालो नी बागरिया चालो सयो नंजा मेरे चालो नी बागरिया चालो सयो नंजा मौजूदारी लोम लड़े जाए टूटे बाजू बंदरी लोम लड़े जाए कोई पचरंगी लहरी यारो अन्ना लहराए कोई पचरंगी लहरी यारो अन्ना लहराए धीरे चालो नी बागरिया हमें हालो नी बागरिया चालो सयो नंजा धीरे चालो नी बागरी चालो सयो नंजा धीरे चालो नी बागरी चालो सयो नंजा चालो नी बागरिया चालो सयो नंजा.
आशा है सभी ने इस सॉन्ग को, फोक सॉन्ग को एंजॉय किया होगा. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, thank you. राजस्थान रंगीला राजस्थान कहा जाता है. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे कल्चर की दृष्टि से हम देखें तो बहुत धनी हैं और बहुत सारे नृत्य के फोक डांसेस जो हैं वो भी यहाँ पर बहुत सारे हैं. चक्री नृत्य ढोलक और मजीरे लेके बजाया जाता है और धाकड़ नृत्य हथियार लेकर, तो कालबेलिया जो है खंजरी और बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव लहंगे और ओढ़नी, और इसके साथ ही पनिहारी नृत्य ढोलक और बांसुरी, और चरी नृत्य जो है वो सिर पर कलश और उसके ऊपर कपास के बीच में तेल डालकर आग लगाकर फिर वो चरी नृत्य किया जाता है कि देखने वाले दांतों तले उंगली दबा देते हैं. और अब इसी फोक
वीडियो भी चलेगा, मैं बात कर लूंगा सर.
फोक जो डांस है वो हमारे विद्यालय की खुशी क्लास 10th की, और अभी जिसने फोक सॉन्ग गाया था वो थी खुशी क्लास 11th की. तो अभी एक छोटा सा फोक डांस आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत है.
Ma'am, your video was not visible. I think that was a dance of.
हाँ, it was not visible.
No, ma'am.
हाँ मैम वीडियो नहीं देखा, सिर्फ आवाज आ रही थी.
ओके, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं आया. पिछली बार भी मैं
fine. We hope we have all enjoyed that in audio as well.
Okay.
It's already 11:50 now.
Okay,
so
now
let's move to the next program so that we should conclude on time.
vote of thanks. Vote of thanks. Now I'll
Okay.
invite Jyoti ma'am, Jyoti Parashar ma'am,
Yes,
to,
ma'am.
to express the vote of thanks. Jyoti ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon to all of you. First of all, first of all, I would like to thanks to Principal Sir who provide me opportunity to vote of thanks. I would like to thanks to Shri R.S. Bhuria Sir, Principal KV5 Jaipur for his blessings, and Shri R.S. Tawar Sir, Principal KV Fulera for their welcome speech and other information. And also thanks to Shri B.K. Chaudhary Sir, Principal KV Deepu, the host principal, for organizing such good program and sharing information about the Assam and Rajasthan. I also thanks to teachers who helped students and motivate students for preparing such program like quiz, dance, and song and other also. And also thanks to those teachers like who organize quiz, Mamuni ma'am, Michael ma'am, KV5 Jaipur, Mamuni ma'am, KV Dibu, and OP Mundotia sir, and other also teachers who help students in such organized good program. And also thanks to those students who participated in this program and also participated in EBSB program. And also thanks to those teachers and students who directly and indirectly helped to make this such nice program. Thanks to all of you.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
ma'am. Jyoti ma'am, thank you very much for your vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir.
As Principal Sir has some urgent meeting and he has to go, in his absence, I am Mukesh Kumar, PGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya Difu. In the end, I want to give my sincere thanks to all the participants, especially the principals and staff and those students who have participated and shown their enthusiastic energy. I myself was not aware about that all program, but the way they have shown this, especially the students, their energy, it's really commendable, and the participation of all the teachers as well.
KV number 5 Jaipur.
Yes, sir.
So I want to also convey my wishes and thanks.
Yes, sir, please.
At first, respected Principal Sir, KV number 5 Jaipur, Principal Sir, KV Fulera, R.S. Tawar Sir, and V.K. Chaudhary Sir, Principal KV Difu. Students of KV Assam, KV Fulera, and KV number 5 Jaipur, learned staff members which are connected in this webinar and giving their inputs to make this program in the successful way. All the students and the staff members. First of all, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, as we have very well known about the culture and all these things. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program, which is a very prominent program and which is launched by Honorable PM, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and Ministry of Education. And Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, which is a we can say the best organization which is giving this program in the very ideal way, because we are already representing the mini India and we are connecting to from north to south, east to west at all the levels. And today KV Assam students has interacted in a very great manner, giving their positive energy, giving the perfect information. One student, class 6B, was dressed in the very cultured way and showing the culture of the Assam. So students of Rajasthan similarly has participated in the program in the very perfect manner in the excellently interacted. The motto of this webinar is completely successful because interaction was great. There was no much, we can say, the speech delivering and so many things, but the interaction of the students. Students has asked various questions to the Assam students, and Assam students has asked some questions related to the Rajasthan culture. So Chaudhary sir, Principal KV Deepu, and Tanwar sir, and our principal sir, Sri R.C. Bhuria sir, and the students quiz program and dance program, the participation of the students, all have the great thanks to make this program successful. And in this pandemic time, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is giving us the great opportunity